Hello, Divi Nation. Welcome to the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And for the first layout pack this week, we have for you a beautiful and professional business coach layout pack. You're going to love the professional design and flexibility of this layout pack. Complete with an events page and a services page, the layout pack is a perfect fit for business coaches ready to book speaking engagements, workshops, and even promote their books or publications. The events listings are clean and unique, and the About page is a great place to tell your story. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Now before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. And you can do this by going to Divi Theme Options. And then go ahead and click the Updates tab. Enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Once done, you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding layouts. To do that, let's go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title for your page, and then deploy the Visual Builder. You'll be prompted with 3 options for how you want to build your page. Go ahead and choose the one that says Choose a Pre-Made Layout. And this will automatically load the Load from Library pop-up. And under your Pre-Made Layouts tab, you can go ahead and search for the pre-made layout that you want to load. In this case, it's going to be our Business Coach Layout Pack. Go ahead and select it. And there you can see a preview of all the different page layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and select the one that you want over here on the right, and then you can preview it here on the left. Once you've settled on the one that you like, go ahead and click this Use This Layout button. Once your layout has been loaded to the page, go ahead and publish it. And then you'll want to continue this process to create all of the pages with their corresponding layouts. Once you're done, you're ready to go ahead and create your new menu. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Appearance, Menus. Enter a name for your new menu, and then click the Create Menu button. Select all the pages that you created on the left, and then click the Add to Menu button. This will load all the pages to your menu. Then under the menu structure, go ahead and organize your menu items however you like. Don't forget to set your display location as primary menu, and then click Save Menu. After that, you're ready to set a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, click a static page, and then for your home page, select the home page that you created with the corresponding home page layout. Then click Save Changes. And now your website is ready to go. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you enjoy the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies or layout packs we'll be giving away. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.